Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are having issue with the iTunes application where it says iTunes has detected a problem with your audio configuration. Audio slash video playback may not operate properly. Let's fix that problem guys. Open up the iTunes and go to edit tab, click on it and click preferences and select the playbacks option over here, and in here play audio using, you just need to select this arrow mark here and select the direct sound and select OK. Hopefully this can able to resolve a problem. Relaunch it and that can hopefully resolve a problem guys. If you not get resolved, we can try a next solution. Go to search menu and type services, run as administrator, and in services you need to search for Windows audio service guys. Windows audio, you just right click on it and select restart. After restarting, hopefully that can able to resolve a problem guys. And that's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.